Picture a dimly lit room, its walls lined with typewriters. A troop of monkeys, curious and playful, clatters keys with abandon. They pound the keys in a frenzy, random, chaotic, and utterly without purpose. Yet, the room is no ordinary space. It exists in an infinite timeline, where time stretches endlessly, and every keystroke echoes through eternity. According to the Infinite Monkey Theorem, given enough time, these monkeys will eventually type the complete works of Shakespeare. Hamlet, Macbeth, every sonnet, each word, comma, and period, will emerge from their random clatter. The theorem is a metaphor for the power of chance, suggesting that even the most complex, intentional works could arise from pure randomness. But here lies the paradox. If a monkey's random typing can produce Shakespeare, does that diminish the bard's genius? Is creativity merely a matter of luck? Or does the theorem reveal something deeper about the universe? How order and meaning can emerge from chaos itself? Explanation of the concept. The Infinite Monkey Theorem is rooted in probability theory. It posits that with infinite time and resources, a random process will almost surely produce any specific finite result. The monkey metaphor originated in the 19th century, popularized by French mathematician Émile Borel and later by Jorge Luis Borges in his 1941 short story The Library of Babel. Here's how it works. A monkey types randomly on a keyboard with 30 keys, 26 letters, space, punctuation. The probability of typing a specific letter is 1/30th. The probability of typing a 5-character word, e.g., apple, is 1/30th. 5 is almost equal to 1 in 24 million. For a 1,000-page book, the probability is astronomically small, 1/30, where n is the number of characters. Yet, with infinite time, even near-impossible events become inevitable. The theorem is not about feasibility but about the mathematical certainty of infinite possibilities. However, the theorem has a critical caveat: intentionality. Shakespeare's works are not random. They are products of creativity, culture, and human emotion. The monkey's typing lacks purpose, while the bard's genius lies in meaning. The theorem highlights a distinction between complexity, the number of parts, and intentionality, the reason behind them. The theorem also assumes a deterministic universe. In reality, quantum mechanics introduces true randomness, but even then, the scale required is beyond comprehension. For example, to type a single page of Hamlet, a monkey would need to type about 10,000,000 times, a number so vast it exceeds the estimated number of atoms in the observable universe. The Infinite Monkey Theorem is more than a statistical curiosity. It is a philosophical and existential puzzle that challenges our understanding of creativity, purpose, and the nature of existence itself. 1. The illusion of human creativity. If a monkey can theoretically produce Shakespeare, does that reduce artistic genius to luck? Or does it suggest that creativity is a form of guided randomness? Evolution itself is a similar process, random mutations filtered by natural selection. Perhaps human creativity is not divine inspiration but a complex interplay of chance and adaptation. 2. The role of intentionality. The theorem's flaw lies in its dismissal of meaning. A monkey's Hamlet is a statistical accident. It lacks the cultural context, emotional depth, and narrative purpose that make Shakespeare's work profound. This raises questions about art. Is meaning inherent in the work, or is it imposed by the observer? 3. The paradox of complexity. The theorem suggests that complexity can arise from simplicity. This mirrors the universe itself. How fundamental particles and forces give rise to galaxies, life, and consciousness. The question is the universe a product of blind chance, or is there an underlying design? 4. The limits of randomness. While the theorem assumes infinite time, in reality the universe is finite. The observable universe is 13.8 billion years old. Far too short for monkeys to type Hamlet. This underscores the paradox. Mathematical certainty clashes with practical impossibility. 5. The ethics of AI and creativity. Modern AI systems generate art, music, and even literature by analyzing patterns in data. Critics argue this is randomness with training wheels. Does this reduce AI creativity to a monkey at a keyboard? Or does it reveal that creativity is a pattern-seeking process, not a divine spark? 6. The comfort of chaos. The theorem offers a strange reassurance. Even in randomness, order emerges. A storm's chaos can carve a canyon. A child's scribbles might become a masterpiece. It suggests that beauty and meaning are not scarce but woven into the fabric of existence itself. 7. The paradox of free will. If human thought is a product of neural typing, random synaptic firings, does free will exist, or are our choices just statistically probable outcomes? This ties to debates about determinism and the simulation hypothesis, segment 5, where our consciousness might be a probabilistic algorithm. 8. The Library of Babel. Borges' The Library of Babel imagines a universe of hexagonal rooms containing every possible book. It is a metaphor for the Infinite Monkey Theorem's implications. All knowledge, truth, and falsehood exist in infinite permutations. Yet, the librarians search in vain for meaning, mirroring humanity's quest for purpose in a vast, indifferent cosmos. 9. The illusion of progress. The theorem's requirement of infinite time mocks human impatience. We seek instant results, but true creativity and discovery often require random exploration. Science progresses through trial and error. Art evolves through experimentation. 10. The cosmic dance of chance and design. The theorem challenges religious and philosophical views of creation. If a monkey can write Hamlet, does God's role diminish? Or is the universe itself a grand, infinite library, where every possibility exists, and we are but one of its countless permutations? Imagine a universe where stars are infinite and eternal. If light travels forever, every line of sight should end in a star, making the night sky blaze with light. Yet the cosmos is dark. This is Olber's paradox, a cosmic puzzle that reveals the universe's limits. Like the monkey's room, Olber's paradox pits infinity against reality. The monkey's chaos might theoretically produce order, but the universe's darkness proves that infinity is not a reality we inhabit. Both paradoxes remind us that the universe is neither fully random nor fully infinite. It is a fragile balance of time, space, and the laws that govern them. As we turn to Olber's paradox, we shift from the microcosm of typewriters to the macrocosm of stars. The Infinite Monkey Theorem asks, what can randomness create? Olber's paradox asks, what can infinity hide? Together, they frame the universe as a place where even the infinite must bow to the constraints of time and space. This expansion weaves the Infinite Monkey Theorem into a meditation on creativity, randomness, and cosmic limits. It avoids bullet points by using narrative and philosophical exploration, maintaining the reflective tone. The transition bridges seamlessly to Olber's paradox by contrasting the theoretical possibilities of infinity with the observable reality of the cosmos.